Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to edit, crop and enhance scans in Adobe Scan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to edit, crop or enhance scans in Adobe Scan, the first thing that you need to do is just simply head over and open up your Adobe Scan application. Once you're inside, what you need to do is open your scan document. From the home screen, simply tap on the scan that you want to edit. Then the scan will open showing all the pages captured. Now what you need to do is simply tap on modify on the bottom, and then once done you'll find an options you can use like crop, and you can adjust the crop size as well, and then adjust the edges manually by dragging the corners, and then once done simply tap on the crop button once again and that will crop your image. You can also select the rotate option right here, and once done what you need to do is simply head over back and tap on the toolbar. Then you can also delete or reorder. Simply tap on delete to remove unwanted pages if you have multiple pages, and drag pages to reorder multiple pages scan. Next, in order to enhance the scan, as Adobe Scan automatically enhances your document, but you can adjust manually by tapping in the enhance filter option, and if you want the document to be black and white, select the black and white filter, and you can also adjust the brightness or the contrast by simply tapping on the adjust option and then adjust it according to your preference. And then once that's done, all you gotta do is simply tap on save PDF on the bottom right corner of your screen. These are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did and comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.